Today I'm going to show you how to delete a class in Webflow. This is useful when you need to remove styling from an element or clean up your project by getting rid of classes you no longer need. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Sign in using your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where all your projects are displayed. In your dashboard, navigate to the All Sites section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Hover your mouse over the site you want to work on and you'll notice an option appears. Click on Open in Webflow to launch the designer interface for that particular site. Now that you're inside the Webflow designer, it's time to locate the element from which you want to remove the class. Click directly on the element you wish to modify. This could be any component on your page, whether it's a button, text block, image, or container. Selecting the element is crucial because it tells Webflow which object you're planning to edit. Once you've clicked on the element, shift your attention to the right panel of the screen. This is where all the styling options and properties are located. Look for the Style sector at the top of this panel. You'll find the class name listed here, which is currently applied to your selected element. To remove the class, hover your mouse over the class name or click on it directly. You'll see a blue drop-down arrow appear next to the class name. This arrow indicates that you have additional options available for managing that class. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal the menu from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Remove Class. This action will immediately delete the class association from your element, stripping away any styles that were previously applied through that class. The element will either revert to its default styling or display any other classes that might still be attached to it, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the class from an element in Webflow, giving you more control over your design and helping you maintain a cleaner, more organized project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.